CVLIFE plate carrier. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Your Survival. So CVLIFE was kind enough to send me one of their plate carriers. It does come in two colors. This is the black, and there is also a multicam. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check that out. I'm going to put all the links down below. A couple things before we start. This is about a $70 or $80 plate carrier. So, you know, you get what you pay for. It is made in China. But we're going to get into all that as we go on. Some features I liked in this, some features I probably could have done without. But again, a lot of this is personal preference. I really do appreciate the fact that companies appreciate my opinion. This is made out of 900 denier nylon. A lot of the stuff that you see here is laser cut, which I really like. I love laser cut stuff. It does have a lot of mesh on the inside, which is also very nice. It does have quick release buckles. All right, so you have one on one side and one on the other. It also comes with quick release buckles on the top. So again, if you're in your helicopter or you're in a burning vehicle, you can get out of that plate carrier very quickly and jettison it and get out of the way, help yourself to survive. It doesn't come with too many pockets or pouches. It does have the center pouch, and again, there are a couple different models to choose from, so I'll put the links down below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do purchase from me, I think it's like 2 cents on a dollar, so I appreciate that support. The vest itself, very well constructed. It does have, let me open this up for you guys so you can see it. All right, so this is the front panel right here. As you can see, this is the part that would hit the chest, and it does have a lot of mesh and padding. This is the rear. Again, really, really nice mesh. Okay, so that's going to allow your body to breathe. On the side panels or the cummerbund, it also has really nice mesh. And also on the shoulders. On the inside of the shoulder pads, you do have mesh, and you also have a little bit of cable management, which is nice. So all of this has to tell me that what this tells me is that they really thought about overheating inside this vest, which you would. If you're carrying a lot and a ton of gear, you probably would overheat quite often, or at least be super sweaty. So thank you very much for putting that together. So thank you very much for understanding that once you put these on, it's going to be a little hot. The front panel does come with it. It does accept 3 magazines. I have a couple of magazines here. These are just straight up mag pulls. All right. These are just straight up mag pulls. All right. Now, I don't know if it will accept an AK-47 magazines, probably. It is a bungee cord with a flag on it. I think you can tighten them down quite a bit. So if you wanted to make sure that they're not flopping around in there, you can. There is an ability to double up on the magazine space if you wanted to. So as you can see right here, those are 2 Magpul magazines, and I doubled up. All right, so the panel itself is just a simple Molly panel, and again, I'm pretty sure CVLIFE, if you wanted to add a different type of panel to it, you could. I did see a couple with kangaroo pouches, so you can do 2 mags of AR-15 and then a pistol pouch or whatever. So I'm pretty sure they'll probably sell those separately. They do have drain holes as well. So on the front panel, it does have enough space to add some armor. Obviously, it's a plate carrier, and they are pretty standard. You just reach towards the back, you open it up, and you can see this nice large pocket. These are AR-500 level 4 plates. It will fit in there. These are 10 by 12s. So what I would do is put one in the front, one in the back. And again, you're adding a lot of weight to it, obviously, because it is a plate carrier. And then that goes over like that. And then now you have your armor protection. And if you wanted to put one in the back, it's on there. It's not going anywhere. So pretty decent. I will say that there is a lot of space in here. I would prefer it to be a little bit tighter, and I'm sure if I wanted to, I can modify it. but as you can see, the plate kind of moves around a little bit. What I've seen other manufacturers do is they have a strap in there to kind of really cinch it down and tighten it up. I don't want these heavy plates moving around. All right, let's talk about the side. Let's talk about the cummerbund itself. Again, like I said, the cummerbund is really nice. It does have 3 more pockets for magazines. You can double up on the magazines if you wish. It does have laser cut on the side. The only thing you cannot do with this is put any type of side armor or panel inside these pockets. There is a liner or a divider in between each one. And what that does is, again, if you want to put magazines, you have 1, 2, 3. You could put up to 6 more magazines on this side. You could put a radio. You could put kit. You can put smoke grenades, whatever you want to put in there. But there is no panel for any extra armor unless you either take those out or put it on the outside with your laser cuts. As far as the cummerbund goes, it's also pretty standard with the bungee style. All right, so this is a bungee style cummerbund where they have the 3 straps of MOLLE in the back and they put a shock cord through the center, and what that does is it allows you to adjust the girth and the stretchiness of your plate carrier. All right, let's talk a little bit about the back. The back, again, has a lot of MOLLE connections if you want to add something on there. It does have some Velcro on the back as well if you want to put some patches on there or anything like an identifier. It also has this handle. This is not a drag handle. It does have Velcro here. It's only single stitched. The reason why this handle is here is if you wanted to hang it up somewhere, you could put it on a hook. So I would not use this as a rescue handle at all. It's not made for that, so don't be fooled by that. That's not what it's for. Again, does have a patch panel in the back, and it just opens up to put another piece of armor in there as well. Like I said about the shoulder pads are really nice. They do come off, so if you wanted to, you can adjust them, you can move them. It does have a, like I said, some cable management, and the way you adjust the girth is just a simple Velcro strap. You have one on each side, so depending on your body size or type, you can adjust that as well. Guys, final thoughts on this plate carrier. I think it's a decent plate carrier. I think it's a decent plate carrier for what it is. It's under 80 bucks. If you're on the square range and you're somebody that's practicing, fine. I would not go to war with this. I think that if you're going to go to war, you probably want something that's either issued or built a little bit heavier duty. Nothing to say bad about it so far. I think it's a decent plate carrier. I would use it for training purposes. I would also use it for airsoft if you're an airsofter out there. It does come with a lot of bells and whistles for the price. Now, the armor does not come with it. The magazines don't come with it. But if you need a starter kit to start training, then I would definitely take a look at CVLIFE. All right, guys, thank you very much. What I need you to do is to like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Really helps the algorithms. If you have one of these vests, please let me know what you think. Again, it comes in 2 colors. This is the black one. It also comes in multicam. If you purchase from the links down below, I am an Amazon affiliate, and what that will do is I think I get like 2 cents on a dollar if you purchase from me, so I really appreciate the support. You could become a Patreon member and watch videos like this before anybody else. Please like, subscribe, share, and as always, guys, be safe.